Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you an example of spontaneous combustion. Check this out. All I'm using in this demonstration are two graduated cylinders, household bleach, calcium carbide, and hydrochloric acid. The first step is to add 80 milliliters of bleach to your first graduated cylinder. Next, add 200 milliliters of 12 molar hydrochloric acid to your second graduated cylinder. Step 3. Add calcium carbide to the hydrochloric acid, and this will build up acetylene gas in the graduated cylinder. You can see it's building lots of acetylene gas inside. Okay, now I'm going to add my sodium hypochlorite that's in the bleach, my hydrochloric acid to spontaneously combust all that acetylene gas. Here we go. Okay, so what's going on in this awesome spontaneous combustion reaction is we started with acetylene gas, and we got acetylene gas by adding small pellets of calcium carbide to 12 molar hydrochloric acid, and that released the acetylene gas, the C2H2 that you see. And that spontaneously combusts with chlorine gas that we got from the sodium hypochlorite that's in bleach. As it reacts with hydrochloric acid, that releases the chlorine gas. And when they combust, the products is carbon and hydrogen chloride. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.